So they're laying out the floor now. See some of the workmanship what them a put on, yeah? Yes, sir. Them start install pot light in the ceiling too. Look on the dirty and them there, so. This piece of concrete is a problem. See where the concrete is. Look where the floor stop. Look where the drywall stop. There's no way the molding can go against the drywall at the bottom to touch on that floor. Stepping in from outside, you're stepping down into this space. It's supposed to be at least in line with that concrete. The floor should have been at least the same level as that concrete. This don't make no sense. Look at how much is taken out of this tiny bedroom. Like, what is this? This don't make sense, man. Even that sewer trap was sticking up out of the floor. The plumber came on site after they did the flooring and cut it down to that level. Okay? I don't have a recording of that, but it was actually cut down. You can see some of the pieces still there. And even the cutting of the floor, it wasn't cut to fit around that circle. There's still cardboard in there. That don't look good. This is the other bedroom. Same problem. This one is a little bit flatter. Like it's short around here. Nobody never measure anything. Nobody never use a level. Huh? The plumber had to dig out a piece of the concrete for this to fit in here. For the shower thing to go into that section. That should not have been. And now that that's been done, this floor is still open over here. In any case, I don't even know. Bathroom floor is supposed to be the same material as other floors. Because I thought bathroom floors usually are water resistant kind of flooring. So I don't even know what's going on here. This don't look good neither. I need them to come take this thing off. Cut off the excess to make it match the side of the cabinet. Because this cocking out here, so this sticking out, is not matching. It don't look good. So they need to go and measure the two sides evenly. This side and this side to match. So that the sink can be in the center. This is not benefiting anyone sticking out here. This is the kitchen one. It can cut down to look like this. Flush against the side of the cupboard. That hole cannot stay like that up there either. There's a metal shiny thing people usually put over those things. Y'all need to get that thing around it or put a box of some sort around it. It cannot stay like that. See them molding truck come now with all kind of MDF board for come cover up the concrete what them claim say can't fix no other way. Now look there. Huh? Just imagine. And I still me light them a leach pan. They not try get no light, you know. Look on all what they have plug in here so. Eh? This is like 4 inches thick, or 3 inches at least. Yeah. Taken out of the space. This is how it should have been in line with door jam and stuff. And that's what we have. Talk your living truth. Them are sitting here look good. You ever seen a baseboard thick so? Now they have buried the hole that they say was a sewer clean out right here. So what's the use of it being in the room if we don't know where it is? Look all there so. Wait, this is about 4 inch thick, you know? Behind toilet no less. Something as simple as installing plug sockets on a wall. It's the same stud all the way up to the top, I believe. Instead of put them both on the same side, then put that one on the right side and that one on the left side of the stud going up. So just look how stupid it looks. And when I ask the guy will make me know say because this plug after the TV up here so, and TV usually plug into the left. This cabinet never need to be so high. It's all the way up. They put something to box in the front. Could have been a little bit shorter and then the window could have been higher. Instead, no, we had to take this bottom section off because this backsplash that matches this. It was to have been 6 inches. It cannot fit. They have to go cut it now to meet this height, 3.5 inches, and follow the same height all the way around because of the window. Like, why am I bowing down to look through a window and I'm short? Like, watch it. Eh? Why they couldn't have put the window at high level? Seriously. Every angle is another thing. And just simple things like these are what you don't think about when you're hiring somebody you think is supposed to be a professional or a company or organization, because look how low this window is. This is like literally 2 feet from the ground. No privacy can in this room here, you know, if you ever dare take off your clothes in here and your curtain never drag with your clock. No man. I tell you say, I like them why you fit on to think in another country. Because when you try to do anything, this is the kind of workmen you can't deal with. And when they none of them are give themselves name like stronghold. This is foolishness. And look on the molding. I hide the concrete what them never build properly and then I tell me a Nancy story. That's some molding for look. Eh? Them a come from with this big old broad box like nobody now run mag. We no need no coffin in here. Them a big old broad something here. So then fix back my step. All them a board they were broke up when them a take it off. Then just nail on the back same way. They not care. See what they do under there. So then fix back step. Huh? See it there? Then when you think say that did tacky, look how the plumber connect the water line here so. In the sketch the copper pipe and Benny and attach one next plastic piece to it and saying done. I hate that. Water come. Toilet tank full. That's how you know that water is here.
I'm gonna use it first.
Use what? Move for yourself. Yeah, I dry like puss broke coconut in there.